All right, welcome back to the shop. So just a short video on this Growler, M1161 ITV64. Plugging away on this thing. I've got the front steering changed out on it. It's got the new Sweet unit in there. We took the Appleton out. I just want to do a real quick video just on how to start off by setting your tie rods on here and to get the right toe in. If you notice, these are almost as short as they can get. They didn't leave much room for air here, but they work. I mean, it's plenty. So what I did to begin with, find my tape measure here. Okay, so go here on the driver's side, and I put the tape right up to the flat part of the wheel. I didn't put it on the lip. I just put it on the flat part. I measured across to this subframe here, and the way I see it, it's 13 3/8 of an inch. I don't have the camera just because the angle's going to be a little funky. It looks like it might be a little bit shorter, but I got 13 3/8 of an inch. And I'll go over here to this side and do the same thing over here on the passenger side. So I'm going to put the tape up against there. And then I measure here, and I'm like in the same spot, almost at 13 3/8 of an inch. So now I know that I'm starting off basically with both wheels, the same distance apart. So the tie rods here are the same distance apart. Okay, so I've got to find a spot here on the tire where it's the same dimension. It's going to be a little bit harder because I have two different types of tires, so it's hard to make sure I pick the right lug each time. So I'm going to try to find a lug that I can remember when I go to the backside. So it's kind of that longer one right there. I'm going to hook on there. I'm going to go across. This tire is a lot easier. It's the same pattern all the way across. And I've got 48 5/8 of an inch. Actually a little bit more. Okay, so I've got 48 11/16 of an inch, and then I'll hook on this tire, and I will attempt to find the same spot that I was on. I'll go across, and I'm at 48 3/4 of an inch right here. No, I'm sorry. So I'll come across here, I'm at 48 11/16 on this one. So actually I have 0 toe in right now. I do want to add toe in. I want about an 1/8 inch of toe in. But now that I know that they're both straight, both tires are parallel to each other, and they're parallel to the truck, which is the main thing. That's why I measured off of here to make sure, because I could have the same distance, I could find the same distance and have them totally off from the truck. So measuring off the frame here to the wheel on both sides and getting that benchmark, that way I know I'm straight. They're straight with the truck. And then now I can just adjust in my, like an 1/8 inch, 2/4 inch of toe in, and then these things will be set perfect. So that's kind of how I did it on these. I'm not a front end guy. In fact, I hate doing front end work. I usually would send anything off, but for this thing here, I'm able to get, it's pretty basic. I'm not going to adjust the camber. I can't adjust any of that stuff. I don't have the right equipment for it. But since I changed all this stuff, I've got new tie rods, I've got a new steering gear. I've had that all the way apart. Now that I have it back together again, now I know I'm starting at 0 and add a little toe in, and I know that it's going to hopefully track good when it gets on the road. So it's just a quick video just to help you out on that, in case you are changing your steering system. This one here, I changed it because it was broken on the old Appleton unit where the hydraulic ram on here mounts. It had broken loose and it was leaking really bad. We've changed a couple of these already where that's been broken. So depending on how hard you're going to run these things, if you're going to be doing some serious off-roading, you want to be able to beat this thing up, you're definitely going to want to look into finding somebody with this Sweet Manufacturing front end, because this one's made for off-road. The Appleton was made for an on-road vehicle, and it's okay if you're just putting around and goofing off in yours and not really, tearing it up off-road. They seem to be handling okay. So anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you know when new videos like this pop up. And please share with a friend. If you have any friends that are into military vehicles, into Jeeps, into off-road, and just repairing stuff in general, share my channel with them. So anyways, thanks for watching and have a good day.